Jokalante web app for buyers. Buyer registration. To register as a buyer, click on the Register as Buyer link on the landing page of the website. You can then fill in your details and click on the Register button to add your profile. Once your profile is activated, you will receive an SMS notification. Once you get the SMS, visit the Jokalante website and log in using your registered email, phone, and password. Login and password. How to log in or reset your password on the Jokalante platform. To log in, enter your email or phone number. Enter password. Click Login. To reset your password, click on the link Forgot Password. Enter your email. Enter secret code. Click Reset Password. An SMS will be sent to your phone with the new password, which you can change once you log in. Place an order. Once logged in, the dashboard shows the products available to order. Click on the product you want to order. Yield page. On this page, you will see yields that are announced by farmers for the crop you selected. Dial the displayed farmer contact to talk to the farmer. Order form. If yield info is unavailable, the form appears as shown. Enter order details at each stage, clicking Next until the final stage with the Submit button. Enter quantity to order in kilograms and click Next. Select order expectation, time, and click Next. Select recurring intervals and click Next. Select delivery mode and click Next. Enter delivery address and click Next. Select product sourcing, location, and click Next. Submit to place order. My orders. You can place a new order or view your current orders. 10 crops can be ordered on this platform. Functionalities. You can edit an order, delete an order, select, search for an order. My profile. You can then edit your details and then click on the Edit Record to save changes. For more information, contact us on +220 750 5127 or 517-6787 or visit us at support@jokalanteplatform.com or visit our website at www.jokalanteplatform.com.